Assalamu alaikum students of grade 8. Today we are repeating one of our previous lesson, that is the indirect speech for question sentence. Today we will learn about the basic rules for converting direct speech, that is interrogative sentence, into indirect speech are as follow. Examples are at the end. Now the first one is comma and inverted comma will be removed. As we know, in all indirect sentence, we first of all, the first rule is we remove the comma and inverted comma. The conjunction that will not be used in indirect speech in question sentence. Usually when we are changing a direct sentence into indirect sentence, what we do, we include the that after the reporting uh, speech. But right now, when we are doing a question sentence, we will not include that. The conjunction that is not used it in question sentence. In indirect speech, the question sentence will be expressed in assertive form instead of interrogative form. Question mark will not be used in indirect speech of interrogative sentence. The verbs such as say or tell, that is he said or she said, in direct speech is replaced with verbs such as ask or inquired. For example, he asked, she inquired in indirect speech. Now we are looking at some of the example. Now these examples will help you to understand how to change direct speech in indirect speech when the question words W is used. She said to me, "What is your name?" Now the said will change into ask. She asked me what. So you see the what, the position of what is not changed, but the structure will be changed. What my name was. And no question mark, no inverted comma, no comma. David said to me, "How are you?" David asked me how I was. Okay, now you see the verb are or is, the position of verb are is changed now, and it comes after the subject. David asked me how I was. Full stop. They said to me, "Where have you gone?" They asked me where I had gone. Teacher told her, "Why did you fail, fall the if fail the exam?" Teacher asked her why she had failed the exam. Here you can see the simple past tense is changed into past perfect. I said to her, "What were you eating?" Now it will change in the tense will change into past perfect continuous. I asked her what she had been eating. He said to her, "How will you help me?" He asked her how he would help her. The student said, "How can I buy this book?" The student asked how he could buy this book. They said, "How is the weather?" They asked how the weather was. Now, the other sort of interrogative sentences, that is when we are not using W words. David said to me, "Do you like coffee?" And the simple, we can, in such sentences, we can give a simple answer, yes or no. David said to me, "Do you like coffee?" And the interrogative one is, David asked me if I like coffee. You see, all the helping verb, the question word, do, will, can, have, did, will, all of them will be removed, and if and whether will come instead of these words. He said to me, "Will you help me?" He asked me if if I would help him, she said to me, "Can I use your phone?" She asked me if she could use my phone. They told me, "Have you gone to London?" They asked me if I had gone to London. He said to me, "Did you meet your friend?" He asked me if I had met my friend. You see, the simple past tense will change into past perfect. John said to her, "Will you buy the book?" John asked her whether she would buy the book. She said, "Are they waiting for me?" She asked whether they were waiting for her. Now, student, it's a little bit tricky one. Read the examples again and again so you will understand how these direct speech can be changed into indirect speech. With this example, please do not forget to have a review of your previous rules and regulation which are already in your to learn the rules and regulation of the direct and indirect speech which is already in your book. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz till then.